side.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah. Here you go. Locked, loaded, ready to go.
Oh, this off. What happened to it?
Is it not loading?
No.
But I think you hit the barrel.
Yeah, it's doing it again.
No, wait. Go.
What?
Just shoot.
Okay. Do I need to call you back or anything?
No, it's already there.
Do I hit the barrel?
Yeah.
I get jammed again.
No. Nice shot.
Jesus. Goddamn bee. Fuck off.
Show off. You still got more?
Oh, shit.
There you go.
There we have bombs. I cannot see shit.
Oh, I hit the hill.
Yes, you got one.
God dang it.
You hit that barrel a lot.
God, I suck.
Congratulations, you only took out 3 people.